Welcome to Mastering the Art of Keyword Optimization to boost your product's discoverability and rankings, the podcast dedicated to helping Amazon sellers understand the importance of keyword optimization and how to leverage it to improve their product's visibility and rankings on the platform. In this episode, we'll delve into strategies and techniques for mastering keyword optimization to ensure your products are easily discoverable by potential customers on Amazon. Understanding the role of keywords. Let's begin by understanding the critical role that keywords play in Amazon's search algorithm. Search algorithm. Basics. Discuss how Amazon's search algorithm works and how it uses keywords to match customer search queries with relevant product listings. Keyword relevance. Emphasize the importance of selecting relevant keywords that accurately represent your product and align with customer search intent. Conducting keyword research. Explore techniques for conducting effective keyword research, seed keywords. Discuss the use of seed keywords to generate initial keyword ideas related to your product niche or category. Keyword tools. Explore various keyword research tools, such as Amazon's own search bar, third-party keyword research tools, and competitor analysis to identify high-volume and relevant keywords. Keyword optimization strategies. Learn strategies for optimizing your product listings with targeted keywords. Title: Optimization. Discuss best practices for incorporating primary keywords naturally into your product title to improve search visibility and click-through rates, bullet points, and product features. Explore how to strategically integrate keywords into bullet points and product features to enhance product relevance and attract customer attention. Back-end keyword optimization. Examine the importance of back-end keyword optimization. Back-end search terms. Discuss how to leverage back-end search terms effectively by including relevant keywords that may not fit naturally within the product listing. Keyword placement and density. Explore optimal keyword placement and density within product listings to balance keyword optimization with readability and user experience. Monitoring and iterating. Highlight the importance of monitoring and iterating on keyword strategies. Performance tracking. Discuss the significance of tracking. Keyword performance metrics, such as search impressions, click-through rates, and conversion rates, to evaluate the effectiveness of keyword optimization efforts. Continuous optimization. Emphasize the need for continuous optimization by regularly reviewing and updating keyword strategies based on performance data and changes in customer behavior. As we conclude this episode of Mastering the Art of Keyword Optimization to boost your product's discoverability and rankings, remember that keyword optimization is a fundamental aspect of Amazon's search algorithm and can significantly impact your product's visibility and rankings on the platform. By understanding the role of keywords, conducting thorough keyword research, implementing strategic optimization strategies, and continuously monitoring and iterating on your keyword strategies, you can improve your product's discoverability and maximize your success on Amazon. Thank you for tuning in, and may you apply these techniques to enhance your Amazon sales and grow your business. For more detailed guidance, resources, and personalized support to launch and grow your Amazon business, don't hesitate to visit us, and we can help you find your first product and help launch it on Amazon. You can also simply Google AMZ Product Launcher to find us. We're here to help you navigate every step of your Amazon selling journey. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your successful Amazon journey starts here at AMZ Product Launcher.